Hey guys, this is Neil, and today I'm taking a look at one of the latest premium speakers in the Anker lineup, the Soundcore Zero. In a step away from the squared or cylinder styles of past speakers in the Soundcore lineup, the Model Zero comes with a fresh new look, making it as much a talking point for its design as for its audio. With its stylish black mesh covering and aluminium trim construction, the speaker looks and feels every bit a premium item. The kettlebell, while some family members have commented the handbag design, does come packing some weight compared to other speakers in the Soundcore lineup, but despite its heavier weight, the speaker still remains more than mobile from moving from room to room or even out into the garden. Packing some serious audio power for its relatively small size, the Model Zero outputs 60 watts of powerful audio from its dual woofers, tweeters and passive radiators. Like most of the speakers in the Soundcore lineup, Bluetooth and auxiliary connections are present, alongside a built-in microphone allowing for phone calls and AI assistant use. Bluetooth 5 makes an appearance this time around, alongside Anker's trademark bass up and true wireless stereo technologies, for deeper bass when needed, and true left and right channel separation when paired with another Soundcore Zero.
Left channel.
Just like its sibling, the Soundcore Flare.
Right channel.
Inclusion of Bluetooth 5 provides support for multi-point play, allowing two devices to be paired to the speaker at the same time for music playback. The built-in battery gives up to 10 hours playback, depending on volume level and content type. In a move which will please many, micro USB charging is out this time around, replaced though by a 3A wall charger, using a 5mm charge connector, giving a full charge in around about 3 hours. Like other recent premium level speakers in the Soundcore lineup, you can control a number of functions from the Soundcore app, such as volume level and playback controls, customised equalizer settings, firmware updates, and more recently for the Model Zero, power save options. The Zero is the first speaker in the Soundcore lineup to feature drivers developed by ScanSpeak, designed to deliver true high-resolution audio playback, giving the most accurate representation of your favourite tracks or albums. The following clips show the Zero in action against the Soundcore Flare in stereo mode. As with several recent speakers from Soundcore, a level of water resistance is also included. Coming with an IPX5 rating, the speaker is good against water spray, jets or even accidental splashes, as long as the rear port cover is closed. Just don't drop it in the pool when outdoors. Using the SoundCore Flare in stereo mode as my main setup for the past several months, I was curious as to what the SoundCore Zero could offer. After using for a few weeks, I found the audio quality to be very close to my existing setup, but with much higher volume and a touch more depth. Audio is clean and full, with very excellent bass across several music genres tested. Bass up does add more warmth, but more often than not I found music to be more than adequate when it was turned off. Where the Zero does come into its own is where high bitrate tracks come into play. Testing with several 24-bit recorded live albums, little things such as crowd reactions and instruments seemed more prominent for the first time outside of my Sony Studio Pro headset, which was impressive. There is less omnidirectional audio compared to the Flare due to the directional output design of the Zero, with the bass prominent from the rear like other Soundcore models. Although with decent placement, audio has no problems filling the room. The access flap to the power and auxiliary ports is an improvement over the Flare, thanks to the slightly larger notch, and saves for less fighting. As mentioned, micro USB charging has been dropped, yet it seems weird how they have traded it for another older charging method, a 5mm input connector, much like a laptop charger. With USB-C more than on the rise recently, it seems like a bit of a missed opportunity to make a leap and start a single charging standard over the Soundcore range. While there is no built-in AI assistant on the standard Zero model, the Zero Plus does include Google Assistant alongside a few additional features, while still sporting a similar kettlebell design, should you require deeper home integration. Overall though, the Soundcore Zero is a cracking little speaker, weighty and well made, with excellent audio specs and playback for its current price point. If you're in the market for a mostly portable high resolution speaker, I would recommend it. Thanks for watching, and feel free to ask any questions in the comment section below.